everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do this blue and gold look. I used the new Touch & Soul metallic foiled shadow pigment things, sparkling foiled pigment, sorry. These little guys right here, they have a ton of different colors. This video is not sponsored. They did send me these, but not sponsored. I just decided I wanted to do a look. And I mean, look at how pretty this is. Some of it like is gold, but it shifts green, and even like especially sitting on top of the blue a little bit, it looks green, and I think it looks so pretty. And I never wear gold, but I saw these cute cross earrings at Forever 21, and I never wear crosses either because I'm not religious. But yeah, they're super cute. I really love them. Crosses are kind of goth, right? Yeah, I think so. Anyways, I just had fun today with my makeup. I hadn't done blue eyeshadow in a while, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love blue eyeshadows. So I don't know, I just thought that a blue and gold kind of look would look really pretty today, and this is what I came up with. This is it. This is what it is. And just a little update for y'all too is I've been working really hard lately on creating a lot more content for Instagram, like a lot more content. I have been working my little booty off. I just have been wanting to do more videos for Instagram. Videos really get your engagement up, and I feel like engagement has been really low on my Instagram. So yeah, I've been working my little booty off. I've been doing a lot. I've been recording tutorials. I've been doing just a lot, okay? And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm updating my camera soon. I'm updating my editing software soon. I'm sorry if I sound a little nasally. I'm getting a little bit of a cold, I'm not gonna lie. It's allergies and a cold mixed together, I think. Ew. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I created this super simple, fun, glam, blue and gold look, then keep watching.
Alright y'all, starting off this look with our bare face. Obviously, I already did my eyebrows and I primed my lids with my MAC Painterly paint pot. For the blue look today, I'm using my Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette, and I'm using this blue shade for my transition color. This look is honestly super simple, you guys. Super easy to do. Nothing too crazy. I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm using this dark blue shade first, and then I'll be going in with the very dark blue shade and a little bit of this green too for a transition. I just wanted to put it above the blue just to add a little something. I'm taking that blue shade and putting that right in the crease area just to deepen it a little bit. I'm also going with this dark blue and just going right on the edge as well. Then I am going to take this Touch & Soul sparkling foiled pigment. This is in the shade Sun Aurora. It is so pretty, you guys. And first I use my finger just to apply on the lid. Sometimes with pigments, they come out a lot more pigmented when you do your finger, and it is true for these as well. But then I went on top with a brush that was a little bit wet from setting spray and just added a little bit more glitz to it. Doing the other eye, and bam, we are done. How easy was that? Like I said. Then I'm going to be using the new Benefit Roller Lash liner, and I'm just doing a big old cat eye. For complexion, of course, I mean, I always go in with this. My Farsali Unicorn Essence, nothing new here. And just to help with pores, I'm using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer as well. So this next part is funny. Okay, this isn't funny, but I've been mixing together Born This Way and Fenty for foundation lately, but I got the Fenty foundation from Sephora in my gratis when Fenty first launched, and the shade they gave me was so dark for me, so I thought, oh hey, maybe I'll just mix it with my Born This Way foundation, but it's still a little too dark for me. You can kind of see it in the video. It doesn't look awful, but it's just not my shade. So I actually went and bought the right shade recently because I actually rediscovered how much I really loved this foundation. So I went in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Snow 2, thinking maybe it'll lighten it up a little bit, but the foundation does oxidize as well, so it was just a little, I just looked a little bronzy that day, that's all. No big deal. This was the shade 200 that I used for the Fenty foundation, and I went and got the shade 120. So that's how it was, yeah, it was the wrong shade. Then I'm using my Milk Makeup just to set my under eyes real quick. My Milk Makeup setting powder. And then my Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick to, of course, contour. Again, nothing new. Once I find products I like, I have a really bad habit of just sticking with them. I need to start trying new products, but I just like what I like, you know? Then after I've blended everything out, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with powder. I'm using my Huda Beauty brush to do this, the double-ended brush. I'm going in with this Wonder2 Cosmetics blue eyeliner. I'm putting that right in my waterline. And I'm going to smoke it out with the same blue shadows we used up on our lid and on our crease. I go in with the Huda Beauty one first, and then I go in with the Pastel Goth one after. And then I just go in and kind of fix the inner corners of my eyes. I bring down that pigment we use and put it on the inner corner and the lower lash line a little bit. And I also just fix up the eyeliner. For contour, I'm using my Shade and Light contour palette from Kat Von D just to deepen what we already did. And for blush, I'm using this really old blush from Tarte, and it's called Paaarty. It's the birthday gift that was in the Sephora birthday gift last year. And then for highlight, I'm using the Artist Couture Gold Digger Diamond Glow Powder, and I'm putting that right on them cheeks. I'm also tightlining my upper lash line, and then going in with my roller lash and mascara from Benefit and coating them little hairs. For falsies, I'm using my Lilly lashes in Miami. They're not too overly dramatic in my opinion. I really love the Mykonos ones because they are crazy. For lips, I'm using my French Rose Midnight lip liner, my favorite lip liner in the whole entire world for any lip color, I swear. It's my favorite. And then for lipstick today, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. It's a very peachy, very light toned nude. Also, my lips have been pretty dry lately, so I just put a little bit of my Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar lip gloss right on top. I just like to do a couple little dabs of it and then use my finger to just blend it in. Yeah, it's my favorite. It just adds a little hydration to the lips. But that's it, y'all. That's the end.
So this is the final look. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I super love this look. I love a good blue eye with a nude peachy lip. If you would like to see more of my videos and hopefully be reminded about it, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a nice little comment below because comments help you girls out like me, you know, your favorite YouTubers, your favorite influencers, it's always good to comment on their stuff because it helps their engagement, and engagement is important. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.